Hi Salome. Kamusta yung feeling na napanood mo yung sarili mo dito sa Nasaan si Jesus?
It was weird. It was a little weird kasi it's the first time that I've seen myself on a screen this big. And I've attended a premiere this big, so it was it was a little surreal. Also my first musical film, so seeing myself sing, yeah, it's a different feeling.
Ayun.
Hard to describe.
Ayun nga, kumakanta ka pala, meron ka palang talent sa pagkanta. So, saan mo natutunan yung singing talent mo pala na tinatago mo pala yun?
Actually, when I was really young, that's one of the first things that I learned to love. And I've been singing since I was really young, pero I stopped practicing it because I didn't think that it was worth pursuing kasi I had other talents that I wanted to focus on, like my art and my writing. So yun. So medyo nabitawan ko siya for like more than 10 years. A really long time. So parang na-challenge ako and na-inspire na kumanta ulit because of this opportunity.
Tapos ayun, naging emotional ka rin dun sa part dun sa yung parang
kailangan ka.
Habang pinapanood mo, bakit parang bigla kang naiyak dun sa scene mo?
Kasi I thought that I didn't think that I would see myself like that, and I think na when I was watching it, kasi when I was performing that scene, I had to pull out a lot of, I had to dig deep into a lot of like negative and desperate emotions. So, watching it again reminds me of the mental space that I was in when I was shooting the film. So yun, medyo na-trigger ako. So yun. But yeah. Hi, I'm Salome Salvi and I'm inviting you to watch our musical film, Nasaan si Jesus, with music composed by Nanay Bing Pimentel, and it's gonna be out in December, so watch out for it in SM Theaters. Thank you!